Good morning. I've put through some suggestions based on the earlier design. Here, the main thing is we don't show the abstracts by default when you click through, and we have a few more options. So if you do click on abstract, all the other headings for actions get grayed out, and the abstract appears below, pushing everything below it. And I'm looking at different ways to put the find dialog in. Here's just one idea. And here we're getting a bit fancy with having lines connecting to each citation on both sides, just to make it look a little bit more fun. I'm not sure how useful it would be, but it sure would look cool. Excuse me. If the user has added comments, which would be a singular dialog to the abstract, maybe we make the commented either bold or bullet or something like that, so that you know this is something that the user has interacted with in an active way. Maybe we should also have, excuse me for coughing again, it's a bit early, an option to click hide, so if something is just not interested, they can hide that one. And they should be able to either manually or automatically specify whether they have already cited something, because at least in my use case, it's very much about a student working on some kind of presentation, some kind of paper. So it might be useful to just not show all the stuff that's cited so they can find something new. Here are lots of little comments. Another design style for the find at the bottom here would just be a bar all the way across. And there are some color notes and so on. But yeah, as I've shown there for bookmarks, maybe a simple star system. And this is kind of fun. If the user clicks on keywords and sees all the keywords of the article and then clicks on one, that moves to the top of the screen, like in this example, spatial hypertext. So that would then filter to only show articles that are tagged with the keyword spatial hypertext. Now we have a similar bar at the top and at the bottom of the screen. It was based on something like this from an earlier idea, which isn't really spatially useful because the space on the left and right are taken by citations. So yeah, going through this old stuff and looking at what you've implemented, Adam, there are so many things we can do, and it's just amazing to be able to feel them and not just have them theoretical like we look at here. I just wanted to show you here. Yeah, looking at different ways of doing it in Photoshop, which we can bring in. So thanks very much for doing this, and yeah, let's keep pushing.